jobs that give you daily income, so many also that people looks down upon. You can look around the streets that you are standing right now. You see that man is struggling to survive, not because he needs to save, a kind of salary, but he wants to earn money to eat just for survival. So before you judge any jobs today, every hustle you see here is someone's life, man. So no dreams, no passion, no what I wanted to be when I grow up, like most people used to say. But it's all about survival. So today we are not chasing motivation, no, we are just chasing the reality. Jobs that don't trend online, jobs that don't impress, and jobs that doesn't wait till the end of the month before you get paid. So why this income matter? Now, let's be honest. Monthly salary sounds sweet until lives become very urgent. When that rent expires, when hunger knocks on your head, or even when sickness show you or show up uninvited. Do you think that builds cares about your CV, the amount of degrees you have amassed? We're talking about hunger here. So daily income is not about comfort, it's just about control. Control over today. People earning daily, doesn't talk, a daily income doesn't talk about tomorrow. Sometimes that is not enough strength to continue. Now, let's talk about those invisible workers. Can you see that man sweeping the road? Most people don't see him. All they see is dust, dirt, and they see the inconvenience. But he himself, he sees that income because every sweep is dignity. Every step is all about survival. He wakes up, early in the morning, sweeping the city for other people to walk, freely. But invisibility doesn't mean the man is useless. Oh. That broom in his hands is louder than complaints without action. All right. What about hard labor, fast cash? Now, let's talk about strength. That wheelbarrow pusher loader. Jobs people call the last option. Me, I can never do that kind of job. But let me ask you, is it really the last option or the fastest option when hunger is real? Every load lifted is money in. Every drop of sweat is a meal secure. Some people sit at home waiting for dignity. Others carry dignity on their back. Let's talk about food hustler that never fails. Food is one business that never sleeps. People may ignore fashion. People may avoid luxury. People ignores any other thing. But about hunger, hey, this woman cooking by the roadside doesn't sell dream. She sells relief. She cook for people to eat, for them to find comfort. Office workers stop by, drivers stop by, students stop by, just for them to eat. One spoon at a time, she builds that daily income. People laugh at the roadside food until their stomach starts doing kro kro, sparking louder. Okay, let's talk about the transports that moves people from one place to another. Transport hustlers don't have sick leave, they don't have comfort, they don't even have security, but they have something powerful, what we call movement. Every trip is opportunity, every passenger is a potential income. Rain will beat them, sun will burn them, traffic even tests their patience. Oh my God. Yet, tomorrow morning, you still see them. They'll be the first person to wake up in the morning because survivor has no hope day. Let's talk about small services that have big impact. Let me run through them. You see, water seller, phone charger, high seller, car washer. All those tiny services, they are very important. So when heart rises, water becomes life. Daily income comes from daily inconveniences. So smart hustlers don't talk about luxury. They solve everyday problems. That market woman, they are the real economy. When you are talking about the economy, they are the market woman. Market woman understand economy better than what you read in university, textbook, and all that. No motivational speech, no business seminar.